welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are ready for the fall season because I'm so here for it, you guys. So we're just going to jump into this video because as you all can see, my backyard is a mess. But you guys, just hold on for a minute, just hold on guys, because you're going to see the transformation. Oh my gosh, we plan to spend as much time as possible outdoors, this season. So we went to work, guys. We decided to fix our fence, to do our deck, and you guys, are you ready to see the after? Because I'm so here for it, guys.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your bars.
Alright, you guys, so I was just looking at this footage, guys. Could you guys believe, or would you believe, we started this project sometime, I think early spring, and yeah, we actually got it ready. It was just a lot of things going on. We even had to go on vacation while working on the project. But anyways, you guys, I'm just so happy that it's all ready. But as you all can see, the first thing, of course, is we had to go ahead and move out all the things from the backyard. Before, we used to have a canopy right in this particular section right here, but we were just looking at it. I and hubby, we were like, you know what, we need kind of a deck here. So of course you had to go to your district or whatever to get permits and all those things. But anyways, you guys, so we had to go ahead and clear out the backyard. We also went ahead and removed the, as you all can see, we have the skeleton of of the, what is it called again? I just said it, but then I forgot, of the canopy, guys. So we just went ahead and cleared out the backyard, and also we, like I told you guys, we went ahead and also did the fence, because as you all can see, the fence we have here is kind of, I don't even know how to explain it, but we wanted this kind of fence. So of course, the people that work on the fence, they are over here working on the fence, and everywhere is just looking so much better. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I was so shocked how the deck actually transformed the fence actually transformed the backyard. Immediately they put the fence, you could see a great difference with the backyard, you guys. And of course, the day for the deck came, and my contractors, oh my gosh, they went to work, guys. As you all can see, they are kind of putting the foundation for the deck, and they are drilling, they are doing everything. Actually, we started, like when we started this project, we had a very small deck in mind. We were like, we just want something small, but as you all can see, our backyard is actually huge. You can actually build another house at the backyard. So we decided to make the deck a little bigger, and oh my gosh, you guys, I just love the way it looks. Look at this, guys. This is after they were done with the deck. I wasn't able to get all the kind of step-by-step footage of them building the deck, but this is exactly how it looks. I'm just so in love. Of course, with the yard, we are still working on like putting flowers and everything on the yard, but the deck itself is ready. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just so happy. You guys can tell how happy I am. And of course, this right here is like my favorite part, decorating and just fixing up the whole place. Actually, when they were done with this deck, I came in and I was like, I had to group it kind of into 4 different living spaces, kind of into 4 different parts. So we have the living area, which is this place you guys can see me putting the furnitures on. I grouped it into the living area, the dining area, the kind of the relaxing play area, and then I had the the fire pit, you know, the fire pit area. So basically I just kind of grouped the deck into 4 different sections because the deck is actually huge. I forgot the measurement of this deck because of course before anything you know you need a measurement, so I forgot the measurement. But anyways, you guys, this is exactly what I'm doing here, and all the furnitures you guys can see me putting down, they are all outdoor furnitures, you guys. So when it rains, when it's shiny, when it's spring, summer, fall, this what is it called, these furnitures, you know, they can survive in any weather. That is one thing I absolutely love about these furnitures, guys. So basically I'm setting the fire pit area, and also I'm gonna move on to the fire pit. Actually came with the fire pit, chairs, and also that little stool right there. And then for the dining section, all these things, like I said, they are all meant for outdoor. So for the dining section, I put down the dining, I put down my chairs, and oh my gosh, you guys, you don't even understand. I'm the kind of person, like, I'm a homebody to a fault, that summer, spring, winter, fall, whenever, my husband always complains, like, babe, you don't like going out, at least go out to the backyard or something. But because our backyard was a mess, we didn't really spend time outside. But now, I mean, guys, ever since this deck was ready, we've been spending all the time outside, like, and we intend to spend time outside until it's bone chilling cold, like until it's winter that we can't go outside no more. So basically I just set up the dining section. As you all can see, I have my dining and also the chairs, and then on this side I decided to put what is this called again? An egg chair. Yeah, so oh my gosh, my kids, they love this egg chair a lot. This right here, they literally fight who is going to be staying on the egg chair, like, oh my gosh, and it's so comfortable. And of course, as you all know, I'm going to list everything you guys can see in my video in my description box. In case if there is anything you see you love, they are all going to be linked in my description box. So over here, it's time for decorating. For my decoration, like for my decorating things, guys, of course I don't leave it outdoors, you know, especially like my lamps, my pillows, and all those things. Thankfully, we always have weather forecast, so I'm used to always checking my weather. So if there is any time it's supposed to rain, I just take inside like the things like my pillows and the decorative things. But when it comes to the furnitures, guys, I just leave it there. It rains, it pours, it does anything, it's okay, you know, to leave them there. All right, so for the living space, I decided to add some pillows because of course, you guys, it's fall season. Oh my gosh, fall is actually I would say I like summer, but not when it's so hot. I feel like fall is always in between summer and winter, so it's just always the perfect weather, guys. So I just went ahead and decorated the living space, like the living space area of the deck. For the fire pit, we're definitely not gonna let it, you know, be alone. So I added some decorative pillows, and then for the egg chair, I'm adding this pumpkin pillows, you know, I picked up from Home Goods or Home Sense, and I absolutely love it. I was kind of trying to figure out how to put it, but anyways, you guys, of course I had to put some pumpkins. I also picked this up from Home Goods, and for me personally, I love that traditional you know, fall colors. Of course, for me, I always group everything, guys. Like for my fall decoration for inside of my house, I'm going to be working with, you know, different fall colors. But anyways, you guys, I just love that feel, you know, all those bright nice colors when it comes to the fall season. So for the dining areas, you all can see I went ahead and I put in some table runner, and also I decided to put this fall, is this right? I even forgot what this is called, but yeah. And then also I went ahead and added some throw blankets. You know, sometimes when you're outside, you know, relaxing, you might feel cold, so this right here is so handy. You can just go over to the dining area and pick up the throw blankets. And of course, also I had to add some throw pillows. I have some throw blankets, some throw pillows. And for the dining, of course, you don't want to forget your table mats. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love all this, colorful, all this bright fall colors. Oh, give it to me anytime, guys. Like, I absolutely love. I think fall and spring are actually the most beautiful seasons, because with spring you have all those kind of bright, nice colors, and then for the fall you have all those oranges and browns and cranberries, and and of course I had to tie up the space with some lanterns, and also I added some pumpkin designs. But yep, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. Actually, this right here has to be like my longest project, or I would say my longest video, because it took me series of like months, to get all the clips and all the footage. But I absolutely love how everything turned out. But yeah, guys, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head